by virtue of the powers conferred upon me under the Fisheries Act, Chapter 158, and Section 9E and Section 9F of the Fisheries Act, I, Osea Nangamu, as Minister for Fisheries and Forest, hereby declare that all goodwill payments or fishing levies, which are often paid to resource user right owners, are to be abolished in all divisions for 2016, and this directive and policy shall come into effect immediately from today, Wednesday, the 20th of January, 2016. The decision to abolish all goodwill fee payments or fishing license levies before obtaining written consents from the Ngolingoli resource user right is illegal. My ministry will undertake a countrywide consultation and awareness program with relevant stakeholders.